Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dakal, and in this video we'll talk about an easy way to make money with MaxBounty. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any questions, well, telling you everything in this video, then please do comment it in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, log into your MaxBounty. If you don't have a MaxBounty account, then you can simply visit to maxbounty.com and follow their step-by-step instruction and create an account on MaxBounty. Once you log into your MaxBounty account, then simply go to the search and deselect all of this. Okay, it may be selected, just deselect it and only select this brand bid. If you are new to MaxBounty and if you are looking how you can make money easily in MaxBounty, then this video is going to be helpful for you. So you just select this brand bid and you'll see lots of camping. Now sort this all this camping by this EPC. Just click on that EPC and you'll see the greater EPC will come above. Okay, and you can see this brand bidding simply means you can bid on their brand name. Meaning, for example, this is a Jane brand. Okay, this product, what you can do is in Microsoft Ads, if you are using Microsoft Ad, then you can bid in the keyword Jane brand. Okay, and it will increase your chance of getting sales tremendously. So let's see about this product. So this product has been in MaxBounty for a long time. Okay, it is pretty successful product. Now if you see, they allow you to bring up to 10 sales per day if you are new. Okay, for this product promotion, and you can see they allow brand bidding. Okay, but they do not allow you to bid on these names. Okay, keep in mind these things. Okay, you can bid on SkinShell Pro. Okay, this keyword you can bid, but you cannot bid on these names. Okay, so once you, I'll also show you how you can easily create campaign. Okay, I'll show you the right way you can learn to create campaign, brand bidding campaign easily after some while. So what you can do now is you can simply get your link, like if you are promoting in Bing, Google or Yahoo, you can select this. Okay, and you can also select raw link or source link and you can easily get your link. Okay, now what you can do is you can come here. Okay, so this is the ad preview and diagnosis of Microsoft Ads. So if you don't have a Microsoft Ads account, then what you can do is simply search on Google Microsoft Ad $100 ad credit, and you'll find some link where you can let me show you. If you type Microsoft Ads $100 ad coupon, you can type. If you type in this way, then you'll see several sites. Okay, you can see several sites. You can click on any one of them. Let's click on this one and then scroll below and click on sign up now, or for USA, wherever you are, you can click on this. Okay, simply click on that link and let's wait for some time and you'll redirect to the interface where you can create a Microsoft Ad account and be able to get $100 in ad credit after spending $25 on Microsoft Ad. Okay, so if you deposit $25 and spend that $25 all, then you will get an extra $100 to run your ad campaign, and you can utilize it to promote this offer or several other offers which allows you to bid on their brand name. So you can bid on Brilliance SF skincare and promote this product. Okay, you can bid on GP loan. Now in brand bidding, what happens is the search volume. Okay, the keyword search volume, let's say you are promoting by targeting SkinShell Pro. Okay, then search term may be less. Okay, but your conversion is going to be high in this case. So also what you can also do is you can get a free VPN Chrome extension, okay, like this one. You can simply type on here like free VPN for Chrome, okay. You can extension, you can click on it and you can download this extension and let's click on it for now. And let's say you can simply click on here, add to Chrome, okay. I have added it to Chrome here and this will appear at here. Now what you can do is you can simply click on it, okay, and you can change your location to USA. Okay, so I think my battery is down, just give me 1 second. Sorry for the little disturbance. Okay, so now what you can do is you can simply turn on this VPN, okay, in this way. So if your VPN doesn't appear at here, then simply click on here, okay. Simply click on here and simply pin this, make this blue, okay, make this pin blue and it will appear at here. So now my location is United States. Now what I can do is visit to bing.com, okay, bing.com, and I can put that Skin Shell Pro at here. Let's put it. So here you can see this is an ad for Skin Shell Pro, okay. Now you can minimize this and create a notepad here and say Skin Shell Pro copy. So now what you can do is you can simply copy this whole ad, copy and paste it here in this way, okay. Save it and enter below, go a little bit below. This is also an ad for Skin Shell Pro, copy it and paste it, okay. In this way you can copy paste all of these ads if you want, and so that you can see what variation of ad that you want or you can make, okay, to run your ad at here, okay, so that people will click on it and purchase that product, okay. So just look at the ad that are already showing on in bing.com and then see what are the things that you can change, okay. Just visit to the landing page of this offer also, okay. Just click on this. So this is sample lander, just go to this lander, it opens. So let's wait. Okay, so it didn't open. Let me see if another one opens. So okay, these links are not opening, but however you can also copy this, okay, and go here and let's see if this opens at here. Okay, so this is the page, okay, that you are going to promote. So this is the page. Now you can see all of the text at here, okay. What text would be best, so that when people see your ad, they will feel like to click it and purchase the product, okay. That kind of ad you can make here. As you can see here 75% off. This is enticing for people. So by $39, by only $39 price, maybe this can excite people to buy, okay. And you can see money back guarantee. This kind of text can approach people to buy. Now running an ad on Bing is simple, but if you are new, then it can be a little bit complicated for you. And what you can do is I'll give a link in the description for one of my course, that is CPM marketing with PPC advertising, okay. So you can get it for extremely low price, okay. So it is showing here $11.99. maybe you can get this at this price at the time of watching this video, or maybe even below this price, okay. This course I have already 517 students, and you can come here and see what other people are saying about this course. Okay, you can read all of these reviews, good reviews, bad reviews, all you can read, and you can watch all of these. See, I have shown you from start to finish on how you can start to build your campaign. Okay, especially brand building campaign and Microsoft ads. Okay, to promote MaxBounty offer by using a free tracking tool that is called bmob. Okay, so I have shown you each and everything in this course, and you can enroll in this course if you want to enroll and learn each and everything in a step-by-step process. So guys, the simplest thing that you can do to promote and make money with MaxBounty is by promoting brand bidding offers that allow those offers that allows brand bidding. You can promote those and make money easily and in quickest way. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and if you have any confusion or question, then please do ask me in this comment section. Now I want to take a leave. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.